Dear student, we start exercise number 2.3. Before that, we discuss something. We divide a number by another number. Here in this exercise, in question number 1, we have to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. So, polynomial will be written inside this way. So, px is said dividend. If it is divided by g of x, so gx is says divisor. Here you are getting answer, that is your quotient, and here what remains, that is remainder. I explain again. Inside of what we put, that is dividend. Px which we write inside, that is dividend. By which polynomial we divide, that is divisor. What we get answer, that is a quotient, and what remains, that is remainder. Remainder may be 0, and important note, when Rx, the remainder is 0, then divisor, here it is gx, is a factor of p of x or polynomial. That was important note. Dear student, we start exercise 2.3. Question number 1. We are asked, divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. We are taking the first one. I will explain all the rules. You have to listen carefully and do practice. Question number 1, it's first one. So px should be written inside in the decreasing order of the degree, 3, 2, 1 and 0, that is constant. We write x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Divisor by which we are dividing, it should be written outside and must be written in the decreasing order of the degree. So x square, it's okay, fine, but now 1 degree should be there, so there is no, so we have to write 0 as a coefficient into x minus 2, that is the constant term. Now we have to try to multiply with x square to get x cube. You will give answer easily. What to multiply with x square? So you can understand, x square into what? So you get x cube, you say x, and that is your answer. So x square should be multiplied with x. But now with all term, each and every term must be multiplied with x. So x cube plus 0x square, there is no meaning, it is 0 itself, and with minus 2, that is minus 2x. Opposite and opposite, first terms will be cancelled. Opposite, here you have to take another sign, but it is 0, so you close this one. See carefully, minus 3 minus 0, but you get minus 3x square. Again you close, what will be closed? You can close this sign, plus 5 plus 2, that is plus 7x minus 3, right? Now minus 3x square, it is the first term, minus 3x square. So what to multiply to get minus 3x square? Below here. So with x square we have to multiply minus 3. So do right here, so minus 3x square, minus 3 here, here and here. So here minus 3, but it will become 0x. Plus or minus doesn't matter. Minus 3 multiply here, plus 6. Before that, you change the sign, give opposite and opposite. minus plus cancel, 7 minus 0, that is 7x. Now close this sign. So minus 3 minus 6, it becomes minus 9. Now we got 7x minus 9. Now there is nothing to multiply because it is the last degree. We got quotient remainder. So we can write here answer quotient q of x equal to x minus 3, remainder r of x equal to 7x minus 9. Dear friends, we take another example. Second one. Px is given x is to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. You can see one term is missing. Which one? So after 4 degree there must be 3, but not given, that is 0x cube. Here x square plus 1 term is missing. No, minus x is here. So it is not properly arranged. We have to arrange that. But px should be written inside. We write x raised to 4. There is no cube. So plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 should be divided by gx, and we write it all terms with proper degree in decreasing order. X square minus x plus 1. What to multiply with x square to get x is to 4? So you have to think x square into what to do so you get x is to 4. So x square should be divided, otherwise 4 minus 2 you can directly give the answer x square. So x square should be multiplied with each and every term. So x square, it is your answer, and it should be multiplied with x square here and here. You are writing x square into x square, x raised to 4, x square into minus x raised to 2 plus 1 degree, that is 3, x square into 1, that is plus x square. Now opposite terms of bottom, so plus that becomes minus, minus become plus, that is minus. First terms will be cancelled. Now you have to check 0 plus, not to take this sign, new sign should be taken, so that should be closed very carefully. This one 0 plus 1, so that is your x cube. This should be closed. Minus 3 minus 1, like terms, minus 4x square, and get down plus 4x. Again, what to multiply with x square? So you will tell with x square we have to multiply x. So x into x square, you are getting x cube. So that is your answer, plus x, right? So x square into x cube, but that x should be multiplied with each and every term. X into x square, x cube. So x into minus x square, x into plus 1, that is plus x. Opposite and opposite, plus minus cancel. Now this sign should be closed, we have already discussed, right? Minus 4 plus 1, that becomes minus 1. Different sign, subtraction, 4 minus 1 3, but sign of a larger number, minus 3x square. Same here, plus 4 minus 1, that becomes plus 3x, and get down the last term 5. Again you have to think about this first term. This term you have to gain by multiplying x square something. What to multiply? You can determine. What should be coefficient? Minus 3. So minus 3 should be multiplied again with minus 3 should be multiplied with x square. So with x square, with minus x and plus 1, with all terms. So minus 3, that is your answer. Minus 3 with x square, minus 3x square, minus 3 with minus x plus 3x, minus 3 with x square, minus 3x square, minus 3 with minus x plus 3x, minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. Opposite, opposite and opposite. Now plus minus cancel, 3 minus 3 cancel, plus 5 and new sign plus 3. So you have to close this one, plus 5 plus 3, that is your plus 8, that is as remainder. You can write quotient q of x equal to x square plus x minus 3. Again x square plus x minus 3, that is your quotient, and remainder rx equal to 8. So we got quotient and remainder.